Hey, I hope everybody's having a good day. I have been doing housework. I cleaned the kitchen up and I'm working on the living room. And Miss Annie Jo is back there. She has been coloring and cutting out stuff using scissors. She's doing a good job. We got it on the 80s. Let's see. Listening some good old 80s, different kinds of 80s music's coming up on there. Pretty good part right now. I'm silly, I know. I gotta get ready and put the Diet Mountain Dews and Diet Pepsis in the fridge. And I have to vacuum my carpet. Hi, baby girl. She's so sweet. She's getting so big. Let's look at Cujo. Cujo is 10 years old, but he still acts like a pup. There he is. He still acts like a pup sometimes. He'll get out in the yard or even in the house and play with Annie. He likes to still play with his toys. And Charlie's back there whistling. We have an African gray parrot. Sometimes he's quiet and he doesn't say anything. Other times he's really loud. Like earlier, I was outside and Annie was in the house, and so was Charlie and Cujo. And I heard, "Mom!" It sounded just like Annie Jo, but it wasn't Annie. It was Charlie. He's around us all the time, so he knows our voices. He sounds like us. But he said, "Mom," and I thought it was Annie, but it wasn't. It was Charlie. He's real smart. Them kind of birds have the mind of a 6-year-old child and live for many, many years. He'll probably outlive me. What about love? What you doing, baby girl? Dancing around mama? Let me bring y'all over and show y'all to Charlie. I'm not used to holding my phone this way, so if y'all see my eyes looking off, it's because I'm used to looking straight. And I gotta look to the side to be looking at y'all. Whoa, what about love? I'm silly. I just like to have fun. Life's short. Charles, I'm gonna put you on camera. And no, Charlie's not always in his cage. A lot of times he's out and he sits on top. So, but he's in his cage right now because Annie's been sitting right here by the table cutting and coloring, and he'll reach over and get on her. So I just left him in his cage. But anyways, let me show y'all Charlie. I'm sure he'll be quiet and probably nervous because of the camera. But let me show y'all. Can you say hello, Charles? Actually, let me get him out. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna get you out. Come on. Come on. He's nervous. I don't know if he'll come. Here we go. This is Charlie, everybody. This is Mama's boy. I don't know if the lighting's good or not with that window all up like that. Now, when you're done with those, you have to put them back, okay? So anyways, this is our African gray, Charlie. Can you say hi, Charlie? Say hello. Here, you can get off my shoulder. Watch this. He might not do it now because he's nervous. You see yourself? He sees himself on camera. He might think it's another bird. You checking that good-looking fella out? To your dreams. Oops, my hand's in the way. Here, come on. You can get on my other shoulder. Yeah, my hand was in the way. Can you put those up?
Yeah.
You can't go on thinking Nothing's wrong. Charlie dances too. Tonight. That's Charlie's way of giving love. What y'all see him doing to me? He's not hurting me. He's not trying to bite me. I actually think he thinks he's feeding me. He does it to my nose. You see him, Annie Jo?
He's trying to get you to a little bit off your nose.
I think he thinks he's feeding me. He does this.
I think he's eating your nose. Mom, I think he's eating your nose.
No, he's being real easy.
I think he's
This is not the first time he's done this. He does this often. He's Mama's baby. So, but Charlie is an African gray parrot. And he's very, very smart. Y'all have a good day.